Welcome to WTM.Cars YouTube channel. WTM.Cars. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
The 2026 Ram 1500 TRX. The 2026 Ram 1500 TRX redefines dominance in the performance truck segment, bringing unmatched power, cutting-edge technology, and rugged design. Known as the apex predator of the pickup world, the TRX raises the bar even higher for off-road performance and luxury. Exterior: aggression meets elegance. The 2026 TRX maintains its bold stance with updated design cues. Redesigned grille: a wider grille with Ram's bold lettering, flanked by adaptive LED headlights. Aerodynamic enhancements: improved hood scoop with functional air intakes. Dominant stance: 35-inch off-road tires, fender flares, and skid plates for ultimate capability. Performance: power unleashed. The TRX continues to deliver jaw-dropping performance with enhancements to its already legendary drivetrain. Supercharged 6.2L Hemi V8 Hellcat engine produces an astounding 720 horsepower and 650 lb-ft of torque. All-new hybrid powertrain option combines a 3.0L twin-turbo V6 with electric assistance, offering 550 horsepower and improved efficiency. Upgraded suspension: Bilstein Blackhawk E2 adaptive shocks for enhanced stability on rugged terrain. Top speed and acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds, maintaining its dominance in speed and agility. Interior: a luxurious command center. The 2026 Ram 1500 TRX offers a cabin designed to impress. Premium materials: Alcantara, leather, and carbon fiber accents create a sporty yet refined feel. Advanced infotainment: a 15-inch Uconnect 5 system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Enhanced navigation with off-road trail mapping. Driver comfort: heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a heads-up display for an unparalleled driving experience. Technology: smarter than ever. The 2026 TRX features cutting-edge tech to elevate safety and convenience. Off-road prowess: 360-degree off-road camera system. Terrain management system with Baja, rock, and sand modes. Safety features: adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Performance tracking: integrated performance data logging for track and trail enthusiasts. Eco-conscious evolution: with the introduction of a hybrid powertrain, the 2026 TRX offers improved fuel economy and reduced emissions without compromising performance. Pricing and availability: the 2026 Ram 1500 TRX is offered in multiple trims to suit varied preferences. Base TRX starting at $85,000. Limited edition models up to $100,000 with exclusive features and finishes. Conclusion: the 2026 Ram 1500 TRX solidifies its place as the ultimate powerhouse in the performance pickup segment. With its brutal power, unmatched off-road capabilities, and luxurious features, the TRX continues to be the truck that enthusiasts dream about.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.